In this video, we will update the previous one to access each letter in a string to check if it is a number or a letter. But this time we'll be using the isdigit function as opposed to the string's index. So the program remains the same as the previous one. There's only going to be a slight change. So in this part here, so let me just talk quickly about the program. For those who haven't watched the previous video, we've declared a string variable here. We then ask the user to enter a string, could be composed of letters and or numbers. And then we've stored that into the variable a value using cin. We've then started to loop through the string, starting from index 0 to its length. And then what we did is we accessed each index and checked if it falls between the range of 0 to 9. We said it's a number, otherwise we said it's a letter. So this program will really work like the one that we are going to write will work exactly like this one, just a different strategy. This part here changes. What we want to then do is check each index of the string and pass it as an argument to the isdigit function. And by the way, the isdigit function is all lower cases. So here is the part that will change. We don't need to check each value, but instead what we'll do is we will pass each index, each letter as an argument to the isdigit function. And here if true is returned, because it will return either true or false, then it's a number. Otherwise, false is returned, then it's a letter. Okay, so that's the only change that we actually have to do. So I've kind of got something missing. I need the closing brackets. It's happy now. Let's do test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. So these are all letters, the first 4, and then 1, 2, 3 are all numbers. Test again 4 letters, and 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. And if you also separate the numbers from the letters, that will still work. So T1, I can't spell this right, but yeah, okay, so we get in a letter number, and so on. So this is just another variation if you want to check if a string index is, or if a letter is basically a number or a letter. And I'll see you in the coming ones.